Welcome back, y'all, to the Haitian American Cuisine YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my step-by-step recipe on how to make baby back ribs. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the spices that I'll be using on today's video, which is the onion powder. Okay. And I like to lift the slab of ribs. I like a lot of onion powder when I'm seasoning. Some black pepper right here, and I always give in the description portion the amount in terms of the exact measurement. And here I'm just using some good old Haitian épices, which is seasoning, which I'll have a separate video on how to make. I am using some Maggie powder, and for the non-Maggie eaters, they do have non-MSG Maggie. My favorite, piment Matouk, which is like a Haitian, it's a hot sauce. I don't want to say Haitian and try to take credit for something that I shouldn't. So I apologize about that. And then now I just marinate. I like to marinate the ribs, turn it around, grab the other one. For this video, I am cooking 2 slabs, as you can see. It smells so good, smells yummy. Even though my seasoning bowl is moving, and it's okay to just, get the seasoning, mix them all on top of each other to get it all the seasoning rubbed in very well. Okay, when I'm cooking in my kitchen, I like to get my hands dirty. It just makes it feel more authentic for me, or sometimes I might use a glove. It depends on what mood I'm in or what's going on with my nails, but in this case, I could care less. I just make sure I always wash my hands first. Well done. Senti bon, petit. Smells so good. And now I'm going to let the ribs slow cook. If you're putting it in the oven to slow cook, you can set the oven at 250 degrees for about, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour, or you can cook it over the stove top and then go ahead and stick it in the oven, because today's recipe on how to make the barbecue baby back ribs, I'm not putting it on the grill. We're in the month of October. It's starting to get cold. So that's another video for another day on when I actually put it on the grill outside. But for today, this is how we're doing it. So guys, I just wanted to also add that I will leave this marinated in the fridge overnight, just to give it the best taste results. So stay tuned for part 2, 24 hours. Welcome back. Okay, so I've decided for this particular recipe, I'm not gonna slow cook. I have a hungry family. They're just ready to eat. They're not willing to wait the 2 hours. So for those of you that have a work schedule, I also wanted to show you that yes, you can actually make this and not have to wait 2 hours for the oven. And I put the slabs in there. And what I'll do now is just add the juice, the seasoning juice, into the pot. This process actually takes about 30 minutes tops. I'd say half an hour to 45 minutes tops. And also the results is that the ribs come out to be super, super tender before placing into the oven. Okay guys, so I have the ribs coming out The 2 slabs right here. Looking good, nice and tender. See that, guys? Ooh, that looks so good. I have rib number 1. And then I have rib number 2. And what I like to do, guys, let me just show you how tender this is. Look, see? This is what you want, for the rib to come right off the bone. Okay? And so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna glaze the rib with some honey. Okay? I'm gonna glaze it with some honey. And typically what I like to do is put the rib in the oven after glazing it with honey on both sides for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'll take it out and then lay the barbecue sauce on top. And guys, I'm just using some pure honey right here. And for barbecue sauce, I'm actually using Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm keeping it mad simple, very simple, okay? So we'll put this in the oven for 10 minutes. Well, 3 to 5. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like going into the oven. Okay, like I said, 3 to 5 minutes. I will set my timer to cook, well, to bake, I should say. Okay, for 5 minutes. And that's that. See you soon. Okay guys, we're back. And now, as you can see, I'm just pouring my barbecue sauce. Easy as 1, 2, 3, easy breezy. Looking good, smelling good in my neighborhood. Check this out, y'all. Whoosh, going down. Many. Okay. Very simple. See how simple that is? I'm gonna turn it around on its back, you know. Yo, little coucher sudo. Bang. See that? Bang, bang, bang. Okay. Same process. Pour it. Okay. There it is. Both ribs, both slabs. Nicely drizzled with this beautiful and tasty Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Okay, and I'll just turn it back on its original side. Okay, my hands are all dirty, and that's what I expect. Okay, I'll just put a little more because I like to make sure my barbecue sauce is all the way up in there, all up in there, okay? And now it's time to put in the oven for half an hour, 25 minutes to an hour at 325 degrees. Well, actually 350 is fine. Okay, family, look at this. Look at this. What's that? What's that? See the meat? Oh my gosh, I just burnt myself. Oh, holy crap. Hold on. Hold on, family. Hold on, let me turn the camera so y'all can really see what's popping. Look at that. Bang! Come on now. That jump from la fait manger pour mon la kaili. Many. You see that? Hold on. I'm about to adjust the camera just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit closer. Hold on. Look at this. What you know about that? There it is, y'all. That's the pan. Here goes the final of my baby back ribs. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications for the next video. Ciao.